Revs, the high-performance sunglasses powered by revolutionary bone conduction technology. Different from any bone conduction products in the market, Revs delivers premium stereo sound through the cartilage behind the ear. The open-ear design not only is natural to sunglasses, but also keeps you aware of the world around you. By sending vibrations through the ear cartilage, Revs bone conduction sound is richer with more bass. Revs helps you stay connected via Bluetooth and allows you to enjoy music, listen to podcasts, and make calls on your adventures. Boosted by 6-hour battery life and IP55 sweat resistance, Revs is the ideal eyewear companion for an active lifestyle. Offering complete UV 400 protection and interchangeable polycarbonate lenses, Revs fits into your daily activities. There's no sacrifice in comfort with the Revs lightweight nylon frame. The bendable pivot point arms assure gentle contact between the transducer.
Hello? Listen, I gotta go.
Here we go.
We love having our music with us everywhere we go, but we can't bring it on our swims. The Dolphins, ultimate earbuds for water sports and fitness. Now you can swim, run, surf, detachable hooks. Just attach them to the earbuds before swimming to ensure they fit perfectly and will stay in your ear whether you are swimming, surfing, or running. Using Bluetooth 5, the Dolphins gives you more range, speed, and data. The IP68 rating guarantees the earbuds are totally waterproof, so you can stay in the water for as long as you want. You can answer the call, change the song, or control the volume with just a touch or a swipe. To change the song, just swipe up or down your right headphone. To control the volume, swipe the left one. And to answer the phone, just touch it. You can listen to music or even share phone calls by pairing your Dolphins. Recharge anywhere and anytime with the portable charging case that is easy to bring along and fits into your pocket. And when you are at home, just drop it on the wireless platform. We believe we created the best waterproof headphones for